Internationally distinguished educator and Stanford University graduate Dr. Joyce E. King holds the Benjamin E. Mays Endowed Chair at Georgia State University. The American Educational Research Association's 2015 president, Dr. King's numerous publications, including Black Education, the landmark book she organized, document how researchers and schools that are failing Black students can reverse this injustice. Dr. King grew up in a working-class Black community in Stockton, California, surrounded by the life-affirming sounds of gospel music and the blues. Her church members marched for their civil rights. She brought her spiritually fortifying cultural heritage along when she went to Stanford during the tumultuous 1960s. Though few in number, Black students across the USA resisted inaccurate Eurocentric historical narratives and education for assimilation. While James Brown sang, "I don't want nobody to give me nothing. Open up the door, I'll get it myself." That's exactly what her generation did. Dr. King earned her doctorate in 1974. And the Black Studies movement inspired her commitment to liberating education in the Black intellectual tradition. Dr. King's research and teaching in university and community settings remember students' culture and heritage knowledge, which curriculum bias erases. Teaching diaspora literacy consciousness using Sangoi, African language, and history counters miseducation and anti-Blackness, enabling students to see themselves in the world through their own cultural lens. Her concept of Dysconscious racism continues to impact research and teacher preparation for racial social justice. Calling for an African-centered, repertory justice curriculum to rewrite knowledge across the academic disciplines for human freedom. Dr. King engages her graduate students, other educators, and community learning partners in the USA and internationally in transformative research and pedagogy for partisanship that challenges the existing educational system.